In this video, we are going to show the installation of the side rails Part D on the bed frame. Grab the side rail and place it on the side of the bed frame as shown here. Use a wood clamp and clamp the side rail to the footer end of the bed frame. Make sure it is flush with the footer end of the bed frame, as well as underneath. Note the footer end will be fully visible when the bed is open, and therefore it is important to make sure the side rail and the footer end part C are flush as much as possible. Now clamp the header end of the side rail to the bed frame, making sure it is flush with the bed frame underneath. The lower pivot plate should make contact with the bed header part B. The header end of the side rail does not have to be 100% flush with the header part B. This side of the bed frame will face the wall or the floor when the bed is closed, therefore it will not be visible. Mark 2 equally spaced pencil marks between each of the frame struts on the frame side. Note you may use wood glue between the side rail and the bed frame, although it is not required. Now drive 2 1¼ wood screws between the frame struts where you placed the pencil marks to secure the side rail to the bed frame side. As you drive the screws, make sure to keep checking to see if the side rail and the bed frame are flush underneath. Remove the clamps. Repeat the same process to attach the other side rail to the bed frame. Place a pencil mark on the footer end of the side rail over the center of the bed frame footer. Use a 1/8 pilot drill bit to pre-drill in the center of the pencil mark. Drill approximately 2 inches deep. Now drive a 2-inch wood screw into the hole to secure the side rail to the footer end of the bed frame. Make sure the screw is flush. Mark 2 equally spaced pencil marks on the header end of the side rail. Use the 1/8 pilot drill bit and drill approximately 2 inches deep where you placed the pencil mark. Drive a 2-inch wood screw into each of the 2 holes. This will secure the header end of the side rail to the header end of the bed frame. Repeat the same process on the other side of the bed frame. The installation of the side rails is now complete. The next step will be to attach the face panels Part I to the bed frame.